Hi.
Hello. How are you?
Fine, thank you. And you?
Fine.
Hello, guys. What are you doing here?
We are do English homework.
Oh, geez, we should do it. And the flash on English?
Ah, yes.
Sorry, but this is my friend, and his name is Gabriel.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you?
I'm 15 years old.
Oh, where are you studying?
I'm studying to CC 6.
Oh.
Instituto Politécnico Nacional.
Yes.
Oh.
Where are you from?
Right. I'm from to Mexico City.
Sorry, but all the people that you can say are you from Mexico City.
And what type of music do you like?
I like alternative rock.
Oh. I like alternative rock too.
What is your favorite band?
My favorite band is Zoe.
I have a song of Zoe.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh!
Oh, great.
It's good, but Julie, who is he?
He's my brother.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is David.
Oh,
oh,
Julie,
hi,
yes,
David.
nice.
Robert.
Brian.
How old are you?
I'm 15 years old.
Oh, Julie, have you got a smartphone in your backpack?
No. I have because I am poor.
Oh, sorry.
I am sorry.
You are poor.
Oh,
my
sorry.
Oh,
god.
I miss Irving.
Oh, Would you like to go to some restaurant?
See, let's
Sure.
go.
She's not his phone.